All right, so I've already started, but I wasn't going to wear this wig out, but then things are changing. I don't have to wear it out, so I just want to show you guys how I'm transitioning from a super curly wig to a wavy type wig. So I have a flat iron. I have my flat iron on 300 degrees. And so all I'm basically doing is taking smaller sections of the wig. So if I'm taking this section right here, taking a comb to comb it out just a little bit. And then I am doing, I think I'm doing about, well, let's just see, one pass. So it just depends on if that's the curl that you're looking for, then you can stop there. I think I'm doing 2 passes. Yeah, I'm doing 2 passes to kind of give me that. So it's going from, you see how we have these super tight curls to more of like a curl, like a beach curl. And that's what I'm doing for the whole entire wig. I don't know what I'm gonna do right here in the bangs. So let's just see what happens when I'm done for the rest of this. Alright, so I have flat ironed the entire wig except for the band. I'm going to get to that in a second. I just want to show you guys. I like it because it kind of looks like that you're not trying curls. You know how like you're just like, oh, just loose hanging curls. So let me give you guys a 360. This is the side. It's the back. Side. And the front. So the only reason why I waited for the bang is that once I do straighten the bang, I think I'm going to have to cut because it's going to get longer. So I think I'm going to have to cut it again. So let me get the bang. With the bang, I might want to cut it a little bit shorter in case this might get in my way, but other than that, I really like the way that it turned out. Let me show you guys the full. So this is dramatically different than the curly C that you guys saw earlier. So yeah, I did one, no, I did more than one. I did 2 and then even 3 passes on some of the curls. On the bang, I did do 2, same thing, 2 or 3 passes depending on how long it takes to get the heavy curls out. But I love these results. This is like that, I don't know what's going on with my hair, but it still looks cute anyway. You guys have seen those where just like, is it? But I don't, yeah, this is one of those. I think I like it. I think I like it. So yeah, thanks to all the guys that watched the first install, first impression, but this would definitely be something that I would wear more often than the first one. The only caveat, people, is that once you do put heat in the hair, the only way to put those curls back is to put heat back in the hair. So it's not one of those where you're just like, oh, I'm gonna wet it and it's gonna get curly again. That's not one of these wigs. It's just, you now have to do heat manipulation every single time. And then maybe when I'm done with feeling like this, I might even just like do a bone straight and then have like a bone straight bob. This is really one of those wigs that's truly, if you decide to do a bang, that's really transitional. You can do the curly Sue look for a little while. You can do this look, the kind of tassel, that's what I'm looking for, That's the word I'm looking for, tassel. You can do the tassel look, and then you're ready, if you're ready, or when you're ready, or if you're ever ready, you could do the sleek, straight bob and a bang look. So this is really one of those wigs that's like a have all be all. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking because I really need to go. Like I gotta get up out of here. So don't forget to check out all my other videos, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye.